Good evening, it's Ed Duncan from Eddie's Aquarium, and that, folks, is the sound of springtime. The waterfall in the front of Eddie's Aquarium. I'm going to show you a few things that we have ready for pond season. We have some interesting carnivorous bog plants, about 5 different varieties. Got our first shipment of aquatic plants in this week. Lots of varieties. Some are even blooming. Obviously came from a slightly warmer climate. We have 4-inch pots, 1-gallon pots, water hyacinths, beautiful water lettuce. I will caution you that the temperatures are still cold and we still have many chances of freezing evenings. So any tender plants should probably be brought inside at night. Our indoor pond section is stocked with UV bulbs, cold water bacteria, spring and autumn food, all the filter media you need. We have some great filters, skimmers, pond packages, pond liner. Stop in Eddie's Aquarium and start dreaming about your water feature. We are open Tuesday through Friday from noon until from 11 to 8. Saturday from 10 to 8. Sunday 12 to 5. We're closed on Mondays. Dial 783-3474. Anytime, leave us a voicemail. We'll call you back as soon as we can. Thanks for tuning in.